I looked in my bucket of pipe wrenches and saw that one there, and I've looked at it before, but not closely, and this part was facing up. I said, what's so shiny? Well, someone's welded on it. And then, of course, they painted it blue. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to make this one my next project. And I'm going to sand that down. I'm going to grind it down so that you can't see the weld. And see if we can make something out of this rusty mess. I decided to take down my pipe wrenches from my collection and get them cleaned up. I'm not going to paint those because I'll end up beating them up, and so I'm not going to paint them, but we'll get them cleaned up anyway. Let's see if I can't make something out of this one. Well, whoever had this thing used and abused it, and I'm telling you, they got every penny's worth out of this pipe wrench. The only thing they didn't do is bend it. Look at how flattened out this end is. Who knows what in the world they were doing there. Both sides are kind of flattened out. This is mushroomed out here. So they must have been using that as a hammer, and then of course they used this as a hammer and broke it. That's why they welded it. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hole there that they had drilled and then welded, and they did a good job welding it. So I'm not going any further with it as far as I'm not gonna sell this one. It's still usable. I mean, if someone just used it the way it was intended, it'd be all right. I wouldn't want to put a pipe on here, and extend the handle like we all do, because something could break and you could get hurt. This was used as a hammer. Look at how that's mushroomed out. I've never seen a pipe wrench used the way this one's been used. And those are wore pretty good. So we'll just, I'll get the blue paint off it, and I might even paint it, and then, I don't know, we'll see. Even the threads are broke inside this thing. Can you imagine the person that did that? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And then I thought that the only place that they didn't mess it up is probably this movable jaw, but where's my finger? Right there. They use that for a hammer too. Every square inch of this thing was abused. Well, this is as done as I'm going to get it, unless I decide to put a clear coat over top of these pieces here, but I did clear coat this. I just decided to leave it bare. Just unbelievable. Look at that. Hammered. Flattened. I dressed that up really nice. I should have left it boogered up, but oh well. Isn't that something? I just don't think I've ever seen a tool so abused. Oh, how funny. Well, I guess that wraps that up. So tomorrow's another day. Bye. How come that works with everybody else? Maybe you gotta go slow. Oh, I hate these things. They never work.